Hello and welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing how to make a faceless YouTube channel and earn money. YouTube has become a popular platform for people to share their experiences and earn money through ads and sponsorships. However, many people are hesitant to show their face on camera for various reasons. In this video, we will be exploring how to create a successful faceless YouTube channel, along with real-life examples to inspire you. Part 1. Finding your niche. The first step in creating a successful YouTube channel is to find your niche. There are countless topics that you can create content on, such as beauty, fashion, food, travel, and more. However, it's important to choose a topic that you are passionate about and that has an audience. For a faceless YouTube channel, you can create content that doesn't require showing your face. For example, you can create tutorials, product reviews, and unboxings. You can also focus on creating content that features your hands or voice, such as cooking or DIY videos. Part 2. Creating high-quality content. Once you have found your niche, it's important to create high-quality content that will attract viewers and keep them coming back for more. This includes having good lighting, clear audio, and engaging visuals. You can use tools like Canva or Adobe Spark to create eye-catching thumbnails, and tools like Filmora or Adobe Premiere Pro to edit your videos. It's important to take the time to make your content look and sound professional. Part 3. Promoting your channel. After creating your content, the next step is to promote your channel to get more views and subscribers. You can promote your channel on social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. You can also reach out to other YouTubers in your niche to collaborate on videos or cross-promote each other's channels. Part 4. Monetizing your channel. Once you have built up a following on your channel, you can start monetizing it to earn money. There are several ways to do this, including through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. For ads, you can join the YouTube Partner Program, which allows you to earn money based on the number of views and clicks on your ads. You can also reach out to companies in your niche to ask for sponsorships or do affiliate marketing for products you love. Part 5. Real-life examples. Let's look at some real-life examples of successful faceless YouTube channels to inspire you. One example is the channel, How to Cake It, which features a baker who creates intricate and creative cakes without showing her face. She has over 5 million subscribers and has built a successful brand around her faceless content. Another example is the channel, Nail Career Education, which features a nail technician who creates nail art and tutorials without showing her face. She has over 2 million subscribers and has built a successful business around her faceless content. Part 6. Conclusion. In conclusion, creating a successful faceless YouTube channel is possible with the right approach. Finding your niche, creating high-quality content, promoting your channel, and monetizing it are all key steps to building a successful YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been informative and inspiring.